Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to make how-to videos. How to make how-to videos. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is to get yourself an audience member who comments on your YouTube videos, as it is they who provide the how-to video ideas. Unless you're somehow born with the miraculous ability to be able to come up with how-to video ideas yourself, it is essentially impossible to do it otherwise. And there is proof of that with this video, for example. I didn't come up with the idea, I don't have the brain capacity for that. So thankfully one of the YouTube commenters was able to do that for me. Thank you so much. Thank you. So once the idea has successfully made its way directly through your eyeball sockets and gone all the way up through your brain stream, the next step will be to make the how-to video. Now the very first thing that you're going to want to do is to write down a script on the how-to video topic that you intend on talking about. If you're going to make a video on, say, how to make how-to videos, for example, then you're going to want to write down a very well thought out, detailed and insightful guide on this topic. Everyone who sees the tutorial after it is made should then give you a massive round of applause and a standing ovation after they see it. But before that happens, you'll need to get yourself a camera of some sort that allows you to do video recordings. So you may really struggle to produce a how-to video without this. I'm pretty sure that I'm using a video footage device for this video. Just pretty sure there's a camera somewhere in here. Can't find it, but it's probably somewhere in here. Yes. Once you've managed to locate your camera and have it recording you, then you can simply just read off the video script that you've produced earlier. Make sure that you read your script word for word, because nobody can remember what they are supposed to be saying when the cameras are rolling. That is why when I record, I let my brain rest while I just read the script I wrote word for word. Dramatic pause while holding chin with thumb and finger. Once you're happy with the recording that you've just made, then just take it to your editor, who should then edit the video. They'll make it a little more better for you and more watchable for the viewers. If you don't have an editor and have to do all the work by yourself, then I feel a bit sorry for you. After all of that editing is complete, then you'll simply need to go on the website, which is entitled Dailymotion, and post your video there. I'm pretty sure that's the only website that allows you to play and watch videos. I can't think of any other video websites to my knowledge. Oh wait, what's that other one called? Yahoo, that might be another one. Don't know if that's still going. Just stick with Dailymotion, I think that's the biggest one out there. And that completes the how to make how-to videos. I'm going to go now and re-watch this video so that I can learn myself how to make how-to videos. I've got a terrible memory, you see, so this should really help me. So I'll see you all later. Goodbye. What was I supposed to be doing? Sure there was something. I think I'm going to have a nap. Good night everyone. I think that's what I was supposed to do. Please can someone make a how-to video on how to add music to the outro? Oh, never mind.